right. It is at the end of March here on the Green Mom homestead. And what are we going to do this morning, Noah?
We're picking up tomatoes.
The potatoes.
And I have
Yeah, now where are the potatoes, Noah?
I see one there.
Yeah, but where are they? Are they underground?
Yeah.
They're in the soil, aren't they? So how are we going to get them out?
Pull up and dig.
That's
And I
right.
scrape up, and then you dig.
Okay, now are we going to get a lot of potatoes this morning?
Yeah.
That's right, we are, because we've got a lot that are ready to go. In fact, we've taken a lot of them out of the ground, but I think we're ready now to get a lot of the rest of the ones out. And you can see I got tons of soil over here where we're going to be rebuilding the soil and replanting. So shall we start digging, guys?
Yeah.
Now. All right. Yeah. All right. Shall we start digging and see how much we got? All right. How's the first one looking? Yeah, those just jumped right out. We pulled it out. All right. Let's get those cleaned up. Can you start putting those in the bucket, please? Start digging into that. All right, let's pull this one up right there. 2 hands now. We need 2 hands to pull nice and hard. Whoa! All right, guys, we're gonna need potatoes down there.
Yeah. Great potato.
Whoa! Show these close. Are these big ones?
Yeah.
Whoa!
This is like the biggest.
All right, how many potatoes do you think are gonna be under this one there? Pull hard. Whoa! Look at these big ones.
Holy moly! Look how many potatoes I have.
How many potatoes do you think we've dug out of the ground this morning?
115.
115?
69.
Ooh, that's a lot. What do you want for lunch today?
Potato.
Oh, good. Me too. All right. So while you were at the farmer's market, the boys and I harvested potatoes. You want to see how many we got?
Okay, did you have a lot?
Take a look.
Oh my god. Oh my god. How are we gonna eat all this?
I think I asked Noah what he wanted for lunch. You know what he said?
Not potatoes.
Potatoes.
I think roasted potatoes is in our future. The
I
best
think
part
so
is that
too.
potatoes, if we don't wash them, they actually stay fresh for a really long time. It's when you wash them and clean them that they will go bad. But I think we'll be okay.
Good.
Smells good.